How to download the Epic Games for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the Epic Games for your Windows 11 PC. So basically there are two methods using which you can download the Epic game for your Windows 11 computer. If I talk about the first method, then here we will be using the Microsoft Store to download the Epic Game Store. And whereas in the other method, we will be using the official Epic website to download it. So let us see how to do this. So according to the first method, we will be using the Microsoft Store to do this particular action. So first, let us open our Microsoft Store. So to open the Microsoft Store, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and search for Store. Now here you can see this Microsoft Store right here. So here you can see that we have successfully entered the Microsoft Store. Now here you need to search for Epic Games. Now here you can see in the search results the Epic Games Store. So simply click onto this, and from here, as you can see, the publisher is Epic Games Inclusive. So simply click onto this install button to download and install the Epic Games Store in your Windows 11 computer system. So you don't have to worry about downloading a separate installer and then installing from that particular installer. So but for some reason, if you are not able to use the Microsoft Store, then the next method is that you use the official Epic website, and let me show you how to do this. So to do this, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, or the Mozilla Firefox, just any web browser that you are most comfortable with. So for this particular demonstration, I will be using the Google Chrome. So once you are inside your web browser, simply search for Epic Games Download and hit the enter button. Now here you can see this is the Epic Games launcher. So simply click onto this first link by store.epicgames.com. So this is the official website to get the Epic Games launcher. So simply click here, and here is the official website. So from here, simply click onto this download button at the top right corner of the screen, and once you will click the download button, you can see this installer file that is currently being downloaded. This installation file is around 177 megabytes, and once this installer will be successfully downloaded, we will be able to extract our Epic Games launcher from this particular file. So let us wait for this particular download to get finished. And here you can see that the download process for the Epic installer has been successfully completed. So now we will open the installer by clicking onto this open button, and this will launch our Epic Games installer. Now from here it is asking us to choose a destination folder, so I will just keep it to the default value, but if you want to change it, you can click onto this change button and choose a new destination path, and then you can click onto this install button, and here you can see that before the installation it will ask you for the permission, on which you need to click yes, and then the installation process will begin. So just wait for all of the installation processes to finish, and once each and every installation process finishes, you will be easily able to open and access your Epic Games launcher. So let us wait for the same. And here you can see that once the installation process has been successfully completed, it will open this window right here, and then it will download this update for the Epic Games launcher. The update will be around 700 megabytes. So just wait for the Epic launcher to get updated, and then we will be able to use it. So here you can see that after the installation process is successfully finished, here is our Epic Games launcher, and it is currently asking me to sign in. So after all the sign in process, you will be successfully able to launch your games via the Epic Games Launcher. So that's how easily you can download and install the Epic Games Launcher in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.